Hello guys, my name is Alzufian and today I'm going to show you how to install Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. So first click and run as an administrator, click yes. Then he asking select your language, okay, then select English and click OK. After that, if you have low memory of RAM, then click here. If you have higher than 2 GB, just click next. Then click next. After that, he asks you to give a location for this one. Okay, so I just give this location. Just copy this file, okay, and I go to D. I don't want to install in system for file because it's already full, so I go to this D and I make one game folder here and just copy that Call of Duty Modern Warfare. No need to create a folder because I think it will create automatically, so just browse it. Okay, in D folder game, just click OK. Is D game OK? Create a start menu folder, create yes. Then select English, okay, and click install. Now okay, maybe he need internet, so just turn on your internet, okay. And click retry. It will download automatically and install also. It takes time to install. Now it's showing 37 minutes left. It's taking time, so I'm going to pause this video. When installing finish, just click on finish. It will download some driver. And then it will download 400. This is necessary for your game. Be aware of you need internet for downloading these all things. When you finish this one, you need to go or installation folder, game, Call of Duty. And you go your software folder first. MD15. Look that folder here. Okay. Let's take time to install this all. When all done, just close this window. Install Microsoft DirectX. This is necessary to install. Guys, you need internet for this. If you have already this, don't do anything. It means I have already installed this software in my PC. So no need to do anything, just close. And click finish. Again, same software I have already in my PC, so I'm going to close this. Just close this, no need to. And go to installation. Now look, the game is start. So thank you. See, the game is start. Just give him your power. This is my public sorry, private network. Just click yes.